I appreciate your perspective of like, hey, instead of focusing on the doom and gloom of it all, recognize that we're in a period of change. We just so happen to be in this existence right now where this is happening within our look at where this could take us, just medically and scientifically and all these different things to make life easier. I think you do a good job of showing the positive side of all this, of where it can go.
It's easier to sell doom and gloom.
Right, right. Like big layoffs coming, and that's what it is.
Yeah, I mean, that's what makes you, stay on the channel and watch. Oh, wow, I can't wait. They're going to talk about big layoff. Oh, Microsoft just did another big, Google just, But there's a lot more that's really going on, a lot of really positive things that are going on as well. For AI, there'll be regulations, right? There's a lot of folks that's their job, right? They're figuring out how to manage that. Every country in the world, right? The European Union, the USA, Congress, they're all sitting around beating their head against the wall and trying to figure out how to make sure that we don't kill ourselves, right? Human beings, we're a species of survivors. Even when we build the atomic bomb, as soon as we build it, we're like, holy crap, what did we do? Let's figure out how to manage that, right? So, and I'm sure if you were alive at that time, you'd be like freaking out as well. There will always be the potential for all the negative things, right? And there will be, right? And there will be the layoffs, right? And there will be all of these things, right? I feel very optimistic that we'll get through it.